Where do we use water most? Clean water plays a huge role in modern life. Drinking, bathing, housekeeping, watering the yard and gardens, and many more. Average U.S. household uses 300 gallons a day. With roughly 125 million households in the country, that means more than 35 billion gallons of water a day. Now, let's see some of the major water users. Irrigation. Large-scale farming requires steady irrigation. Estimates shows that irrigation requires 128 billion gallons of water daily. Textile productions. It takes 700 gallons of water to manufacture every t-shirt that we use. Power generation. Steam-driven turbine generators, to generate electricity, use about 160 billion gallons of water every day. Fracking. Fracking is the process of injecting liquid at high pressure into rocks and boreholes to extract oil, chemicals, and gas from Earth. This operation takes large amount of water. Household leaks. Every day, leaking pipes and faucets in U.S. household water systems lose at least 3 billion gallons, literally down the drain. Bottled water. About 10 billion gallons of water are bottled in the U.S. annually. That's about 150 bottles per person a year. And the number is growing rapidly. Alrighty. Now moving on to the strange part. There's one state in India that uses more water than the rest of the world combined. I know. It sounds ridiculous. The alcohol consumption in this small state skyrocketed during the virus time, and it shows no sign of slowing down. Government proposed various subsidy to promote the consumption even more. Even in this unprecedented time, the Kerala government seems to know a great deal about public safety and health precautions of its people. They partnered with best developers to build the most versatile application for the general public to reduce the spread of the virus. And Kerala becomes the first state to develop a virtual queue management smartphone application for taking vaccine appointments. Oops, sorry, for alcohol appointments. Then, there's this. The pipeline technology. The Chief Minister signed a special multi-million booster project called Beverage Water Corporation Limited, BWCL. Built at a project cost of over 3,000 crore, the pipeline will bring uninterrupted supply of corona-friendly piped alcohol to households and commercial units. The historic project was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Kerala by pouring the first bottle of alcohol through the pipeline. And every day, at 12 p.m., this will be the scene at every house. They drink at the comfort of their home. No queues, no traffic, no complaints. Everything went great. Oh, except for the people's health. This is how Kerala government solved the corona problem and became the highest water-consuming sector in the world. According to UNESCO, nearly 1 out of every 9 people around the world does not have access to clean drinking water, and at least 1/3 of the world's population does not have the water necessary for adequate sanitation. As the world population bulges beyond 7 billion, these demands become greater.